Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that message. In this case, CocoaPods could not find compatible version for Firebase messaging. This bug can happen when you are trying to install pod, for example. Okay, the problem here is very easy to fix. You only have to go to iOS folder, go to your pod folder and then remove the Podfile.lock. Okay, and it's done. With this, you can try again, and you will be able to install your pods. It is very simple. You only need to take in mind that this message is always related to to all files inside your iOS folder. Remove Podfile and Podfile.lock. Bye.